Welcome back. Well, active weather across the area once again today, and it's all because of these disturbances that have not stopped. And even when the models are saying those disturbances won't reach Acadiana during the overnight hours like last night, boom, it still happened. And we're going to be on guard for that again for tonight. Threat of some strong storms out there even as we speak right now. So let's take a look at the big picture here, the water vapor imagery as we go over to the west coast. We see once again that ridge of high pressure dominating across Mexico, and that's also keeping showers and thunderstorms generating and going around the periphery of that high. Eventually later this week, this high pressure system begins to edge northeastward, and that will help knock down the rain chances. But right now we're caught in a pattern where we're seeing an old boundary and showers and storms continuing to ride along that. Farther to the west, severe weather still continuing off to our north and west, and this big mesoconvective complex has me a little peaked. This energy will get here later on tonight. Guess what? The models say it will dissipate. We don't buy that. We're going to keep some rain chances in the forecast overnight tonight. Regional Doppler radars, we can see a very intense cell north of Houston. Here's that big convective complex in around the Dallas-Fort Worth area where there is a severe thunderstorm watch. A couple of warnings going with these cells, and then we have warnings with a couple of cells across southwest Louisiana. We had a couple of strong storms out toward the basin, then dropped through the southeastern parishes earlier today, and this is what we have going on right now. Two pretty strong cells, one that's moving into southeastern portions of Vernon Parish, possibly producing pea to marble size hail, maybe a little bit bigger. This one has been producing the threat of big hail as well. So we have severe thunderstorm warnings, and look at this. We're getting shades of magenta here. Remember when we showed you on the Doppler that the latest estimates from the radar was showing us 3.9 inches, so maybe not quite that big, but fairly large hail, damaging hail just east of the DeQuincy area as you edge into the southwestern quadrant of the southeastern quadrant of Beauregard Parish and northern portions of Calcasieu Parish. So we'll keep an eye on that. The rest of Acadiana, well, got a big soaking last night with the strong to severe storms. The Henderson, Brobridge area, close to a foot of rain as estimated by the Doppler, but there was also some contamination from the hail that we saw. Also saw some big hail, widespread hail across Youngsville. I have a couple of pictures of that on my social media pages, on my Facebook page, and you can see these are the wind damage reports over the last 24 hours. So once again, some active storms, and look at this, the model telling us, this thing back in Texas, it's going to weaken before it gets here. We won't buy that right now. We'll go with a 30 or 40% chance of storms. We can't go much higher than that. We'll just have to wait and see. It's more of a nowcasting than a forecasting in this type of pattern, and that's the way it's been for the better part of the last 2 to 3 weeks. So tomorrow we will see more sun, but we'll see scattered showers and storms. Models tend to favor the northern parishes of Acadiana, but we'll go 40% for all of Acadiana. And then going into Tuesday, finally it looks like more sun and lower rain chances, and we will lower the rain chances accordingly for Tuesday. That's the severe weather threat. I didn't know that graphic was going to be in there. So overnight tonight, 74, the overnight low, mostly quiet, few scattered storms possible. We'll keep an eye on that, and then some patchy fog and haze out there with all the moisture on the ground from the recent rains. Then for tomorrow, 89 the high, rain chance at about 40%, mainly afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but we'll see some sun, but you'll probably hear the thunder rolling in the background. As we move into the 10-day forecast, finally rain chances going down for the most part, and then the heat comes on and carries into next weekend. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up right after the break.